Okay, I want to show you another example here. I'm going to say that a plane and a car, they both travel 500 kilometers. The plane is 5 times faster than the car. And the trip takes the plane 3 hours less than the car. We can use this information to determine the speed of the car. And again, I'm going to show you a table that helps organize all of our information here. So let's have a look. So I've got columns of distance, speed, and time. And I just want to go over some old kind of science stuff. The distance traveled by something is equal to the speed times the time. Okay, and that's going to help us fill out this last column. So the distance that they both travel is 500 kilometers. Okay. We're looking for the speed of the car, so I'm going to call that x. We know that the plane is 5 times faster than the car. So if the car's speed is x, the plane's speed is 5x. Okay? Now our formula is going to come into play. The time it takes an object to go some distance is that distance divided by the speed. So the car takes 500 over x hours to get there. The plane takes 500 over 5x hours to get there. Okay, there's one more piece of information we know, and that it's the plane took 3 hours less than the car. Another way of thinking of that is that the car, this time, is 3 hours greater than this time. The way I'm going to write that is that the car's time, 500 over x, is greater than the plane's time. So if you subtract them, you'll get that 3 hours. I hope that makes sense. I'll just go over that one more time. So divide the distance and the speed to get the time. The car takes more time than the plane, and the question said it takes 3 hours more. So the car's time, subtract the plane's time, will give you that 3 hours. This actually isn't going to be too bad because I can simplify the second fraction, divide top and bottom by 5, and then I have a common denominator. Okay, then I'll have 400 over x equals 3. All right. I can cross multiply there or just bring the x over. I'll do that first. 400 then is going to equal 3x, and I divide by 3. And x is going to be 400 over 3. Okay. So this car is actually moving pretty fast. It's going to be 133 kilometers per hour. But the plane is even faster.